Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the machine and confirming the model so you know which buttons match the menu. First, turn the water on and press power. The display should light. You want to be certain the lid or door is fully closed because many Panasonic units lock before allowing time changes. Once the control panel is active, locate the time or delay button and the program dial or arrows. These are the controls you will use to set wash duration. Now select the program that matches your load because each program has a default time and behavior. After choosing program, press the time or delay button, then use the +/- buttons or arrow keys to change minutes. Tap for single increments or hold for faster jumps. Make sure to check temp and spin options as they change actual cycle length. If you need a shorter wash, choose quick and reduce minutes. For stains, increase time or select heavy. Once set, press start and watch the display show remaining minutes. This confirms your time is accepted. If the machine refuses to accept changes, check for a child lock or lid lock. These prevent time edits, so unlock using the specific button combo on your model, then try again. If the display freezes or settings won't save, power cycle, unplug for 10 seconds, plug back in, and repeat the steps. If problems persist, note the error code and contact Panasonic support with model and code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.